Let's be real. Most people aren't poor because they're lazy. In fact, some of the hardest working people in the world struggle to pay their bills. They show up, clock in, do their job, day in and day out. And still, they're stuck. So what's really going on? Why do most people stay poor, even when they're trying their best? It comes down to 5 brutal truths. Not easy to hear, but necessary if you want to break the cycle and build something better. Because escaping poverty isn't about luck. It's about perspective, habits, and action. 1. They're trapped by their mindset. Most people grow up being taught to survive, not to thrive. They're told, money doesn't grow on trees. Play it safe. Don't dream too big. The problem? These beliefs shape how we see money and success. If deep down you believe money is evil, or that rich people are greedy, your subconscious will push wealth away. You'll self-sabotage without even realizing it. Your mindset creates your reality. And when your internal script says, I'll never be rich, guess what? You're probably right. To break free, you have to rewire how you think. Start believing that you deserve wealth, that it's possible, that it's earnable. This doesn't mean just repeating affirmations. It means surrounding yourself with people who think bigger, consuming better information, and doing the inner work that rewrites your identity from worker to builder. 2. They only trade time for money. Most people work a job, one income. They trade hours for dollars. That's it. But here's the truth. There's a ceiling to how much you can work. You only have so many hours in a day. Rich people, they build systems. They create products. They invest in income streams that make money while they sleep. Let's say you earn $25 an hour. That's $1,000 a week if you work full-time. Sounds okay, right? But if you stop working, the money stops too. Now imagine you sell a $50 digital product online. You sell 200 copies in a month. That's $10,000 without clocking in. That's leverage. Or you own a rental property and it pays you every month. Or you run a YouTube channel where each video earns passively over time. That's money that keeps working, even when you don't. Poor people work hard. Wealthy people work smart, then let their systems keep working for them. 3. They don't understand how money works. Let's be honest. Most schools don't teach financial literacy. No one teaches you how to build credit, avoid bad debt, invest in assets, use taxes to your advantage, and grow your income with skills. Instead, people grow up learning how to be good employees and good consumers. We're taught to save a little, spend the rest, and avoid risky things like investing, without ever understanding that not investing is often the bigger risk. So what happens? They max out credit cards, buy liabilities instead of assets, live paycheck to paycheck, and never learn how to make money work for them. Meanwhile, the wealthy use money like a tool. They understand compound interest, tax strategies, and business credit. It's not that they're smarter, they just learned the rules of the game, and they play it with confidence. The more you understand money, the less fear it holds over you. And that's the shift most people need. 4. They're afraid to start small. Everyone wants to be successful, but very few people are willing to look like a beginner. They want to launch the perfect business, have the perfect plan, wait for the perfect moment. Newsflash. That moment doesn't exist. Every millionaire started somewhere, usually with something tiny, messy, and imperfect. A $100 freelance gig, selling t-shirts from their bedroom, editing videos for 20, but they started, and they improved. Over time, those small wins turned into massive success. If you're too proud to start small, you'll never grow big. Start with what you have. Use what you know. Build from there. You don't need permission, you just need motion. 5. They repeat instead of pivot. This one's painful. Most people live the same year 10 times and call it a life. They stay at the same job, hang around the same people, spend money the same way, and wonder why nothing changes. Success requires adjustment, testing, pivoting. When something doesn't work, wealthy people ask, what else can I try? Most people, they double down on what already failed. Because it's familiar, because it's safe. If your current plan hasn't gotten you ahead in the last 3 years, why would the next 3 be any different? Change requires courage, but staying stuck costs more than you think. Your time, energy, and potential are all on the line. Don't fear starting over. Fear staying the same. So, why do most people stay poor? It's not because they're not working hard. It's not because they're not smart. It's because they're stuck in patterns that keep them small. But the good news? Patterns can be broken. You can learn new skills. You can change your beliefs. You can build income streams. You can start over without shame. You can shift your mindset from survival to strategy. You can stop trading only time and start building things that last. You can stop saying maybe one day and start saying day one. Start small. Stay consistent. Ask better questions. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. Most importantly, believe that wealth is learnable, because it is. And when you stop doing what keeps most people poor, you give yourself a real shot at becoming free. No one's coming to rescue you, but you can become your own way out. Let's go get it.